Hello, this is Alexander Cross, criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond with more videos in the future. So, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who received a second DUI. Criminal attorney, Salinas. DUI attorney, Salinas. Attorney, Salinas. Drunk driving, Salinas. Let's see here. 10 years ago, I had a DUI. I did not have a driver's license, and I gave a fake name. Now, I was arrested again for a DUI. But now I already have a license, and I gave my real name. What's going to happen with my previous case? Okay, well, first of all, I don't know what happened with your previous case. I need to know, did you go to court for it? Or did you just blow it off? And also, did they realize it was you or not? Because here's the deal. Let's say you never went to court for it and you blew it off. Well, if they never realize that it's you, then I guess you could just ignore it, providing that you are a U.S. citizen. Now, if you're not a U.S. citizen, you're not going to want to ignore that old DUI, because if you ever want to become a citizen, they're going to figure that out with the prints. They're going to figure that out, so you're going to want to resolve that first DUI. Now, if they did know, if they did realize that it is you, if they do realize that it is you, well, I need to know, yeah, I know the old one was 10 years old, but exactly how old? Because 10 is the magic number. 10 is the magic number. If it's literally a day more than 10 years from the conviction date till the day you were arrested for your new DUI, then the new DUI will just be treated as a first DUI, believe it or not. But if it's less than 10 years, even by a day, well, then it will be considered a second DUI. And a second DUI carries up to 1 year in county jail, plus a 1-year license suspension without the ability to be able to obtain a restricted license, which means it would be a 1-year hard suspension where you wouldn't be able to drive. It's very important to really look into the status of your old case, because that could bring you a lot more problems. Generally speaking, though, if you're not a U.S. citizen, you definitely need to resolve that old case. But if you are, you could pick your battles. I would still recommend that you resolve it anyway, because you don't want this to affect you in the future. You don't want, somebody to figure out that it was you, and then all of a sudden maybe you could be charged with, giving false information to the police, which would be a violation of Penal Code Section 148.9, which is a misdemeanor that carries up to 1 year in county jail. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we can respond with more videos in the future. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who got accused of hiding a fugitive. Criminal attorney, Salinas. DUI attorney, Salinas. Attorney, Salinas.